Welcome. If you've ever wanted more control over who can comment on your Instagram stories, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to restrict comments on your stories so that only your followers can join the conversation. This is perfect if you want to keep your interactions more private and avoid unwanted messages from strangers. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to adjust these settings. Once you're in, look down to the bottom right corner of your screen and tap your profile icon. This will take you straight to your profile page. Next, look to the top right corner and tap on the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This will open up a list of options for your account settings. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Comments. Go ahead and tap on it. This section is where you can control who's allowed to comment on your posts and stories. Within the comment settings, you'll see a section called Who Can Comment. Tap on the option that says Stories. Here, you'll find different choices for who can comment on your stories. To make sure only your followers can comment, select the option labeled Your Followers. This setting ensures that only people who follow you will be able to leave comments on your stories, giving you more privacy and control over your interactions. And that's it. You've successfully restricted comments on your Instagram stories to your followers only. Now you can share your moments with peace of mind, knowing that only the people you've allowed into your circle can respond. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Instagram tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy your more private Instagram experience.